Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create these cute gingerbread nails. So I have Rosa in today. She has these super long claws on. I've been doing her nails for a while now, but I think this is her first time on the channel. If you want to see more of the designs I do on her, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I've been doing some TikToks with the nail designs she's been doing. But we are here today to show you how to do these gingerbread nails. So I'm taking Madam Glam's Tastes Like Glam, which is from their Chapter 11 collection, Friends and Family. I will leave a link to that swatch video down below. I'm going to paint all of her nails with this color, except for her ring finger. Then I go in with Madam Glam's Perfect White, and we're going to go ahead and put this on her ring finger. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of both of these colors. Now going in with a little gingerbread man, I am going in on her ring finger with a white background, and I'm taking that same brown shade I used earlier, Tastes Like Glam, to draw the gingerbread man. I have removed the tacky layer off of the white color. I'm going to go ahead and put on the screen a picture of our inspiration. There's two sets of nails on here, but of course we're going off the gingerbread one. We're using this as a loose inspiration. I do go in and add a couple different nail designs on there as well. So once I have the gingerbread man on there, I'm going to go in with my Madam Glam's gel paint in white, and I'm going to fix his arms a little bit. I have them, one side's a little wonky, so I fix that up, and then I add the detailing, the icing, if you will, on the gingerbread, so the little cuffs on his arms and legs, his buttons, his eyes and nose. Then moving on to the middle finger, I'm going to make it look like a gingerbread house. So still using the white gel paint, I'm going to make a thick doorway, and then at the top of the cuticle I'm going to make it look like the roof, and I'm going to make the roof look like it has icicles dripping down, or icing dripping down. On the pointer finger, I'm just going to snake the white paint all the way down just to make it look like some icing on that one. Then I'm going to go in with some more gel paints. Here I've pulled pink, red, and green. So back to the gingerbread nail, I'm going to add little sprinkles on this one. And with the pink, I also go in on the gingerbread house and create some little striping on the door just to add some accents. Then I go back in with the red and the green and create more sprinkles on the gingerbread nail. This just gives it a little pop of color. It's super cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat all of the nails. We did decide to keep these nails matte, so I will be using my Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat, which is my new favorite matte top coat. This matte top coat is amazing. So after we have the matte top coat all cured, I'm going to go in and do some more design work on top of the top coat, because we're going to do this in like a sugared glitter effect. So on her pinky, I go ahead and paint on a sweater design in the white gel paint. And then on her thumb, we're going to make it look like icing dripping down from her cuticle. And before we give that a cure, I'm going to go in with my sugar glitter. This is from Glitter Heaven, Australia. This is Mystic Dust. You'll see me use this one a lot during the holidays. But I'm going to pour it right on top of the wet gel and then just tap off the excess and give this a full cure. So here's how her nails came out. I think they came out so cute. I've never done gingerbread nails before, and this was just a lot of fun. Something more non-traditional. We got away from like the red and green type of Christmas design, but this is super cute. It just looks like super sugary and yummy. I love that each nail is very different as well, but it all goes together. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing me work on Rosa with her super long nails. Let me know down below if there's any particular designs you'd like to see me do on really long nails. Rosa really lets me play around if I come up with an idea, which I love that. So let me know if there's anything you guys want to see. And make sure you are subscribed. I still have a couple more Christmas tutorials coming up very soon for you guys. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!